crafty friends, welcome to our final installment of the Pasteloween Collab with Betty, who is on YouTube, and her name is Scrappassion01. So if you haven't had a chance to check out the last 3 weeks, you definitely need to check that out. And I will have all the links below for our Saturday and Sunday collaboration. So don't forget to visit our Instagram participant, Crafted V, and I will have her link down below as well. And I just wanted to share this with you. So for my final installment, I decided to do this cute little witch's hat. And basically I did kind of like, okay, well, first of all, this whole wreath, this big huge wreath is a wreath form from the Dollar Tree, and it was a witch hat, and I got it last year, and I had never seen anyone use it, and so here we are. There may have been people who have used it, I'm sure. I don't really follow the wreath YouTubers or anything like that, not on purpose or anything, but that I don't make a whole ton of wreaths. So anyway, I decided to do a rag wreath at the bottom, and then I used some polyfill and then wrapped it with some fabric, and then of course I used my glue gun. Right here I have some lace that I got from Amanda Charlesworth. She used to have a store called CraftyPoodleMom, and she still has her YouTube channel, but definitely this is a really beautiful trim right here. I also added some flowers from Michael's, and then of course this little purple spider from the Dollar Tree, and then we have a little felt glitter trick or treat. And then here I decided to make a little pom-pom to cover up my little mess here, but I thought it was kind of fun. I just used some eyelash trim, gray eyelash trim, and then I guess it's kind of like a silky yarn is what they call it. I really don't know. I am not a crocheter, but anyway, I thought that this would be really fun to share with you, and I have been really inspired by everybody. All the crafts have been amazing, and I hope that you all definitely check it out. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on every channel in this video. I will be giving away 2 prizes from Amazon to the winners, so definitely I hope that you go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to share it too. So anyway, hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous weekend, and then again, thank you for joining us again in the Pasteloween Collab. It's been a lot of fun. Bye guys.